He's saying that there is no radicalism. It doesn't exist in the world, in Pakistan or in other place. This means that everything is so good, and there's no threat of communism, there's no threat of materialism. Then why is the world in this kind of a perishing situation? And they say Dajjal has not arrived. According to Turkey, there is only the Kurdish problem, and if that is handled, then they need to lie in comfort on their beds. Isn't radicalism a problem? Surely that is a problem. Islamic countries are in this kind of a situation because of radicalism, and that is irtija. And irtija is maybe mistaken by people as if it's reactionary, or as if it is belonging to history, to the past. We find that our worth, our treasuries are in the past, in history. Therefore, irtija is not the right way of speaking, really. For instance, in regarding communism, we say that that is again a kind of a bigotry, because they are speaking about the philosophy that belongs to 100 centuries past. However, radicalism is the right way of describing the situation, really, and bigotry is the right technical word to describe this threat, really, because if you were to name it to be reaction or historical or past times, really, then you would not be really taking examples from the past, even 1 hour passed or 1 second passed. So bigotry is the right word to describe this threat, which is the threat of radicalism, the threat of bigotry. And it has devastated the entire Islamic world. And the reason why Egypt is in this kind of a situation is because of this bigotry. And look at Palestine. Muslims are killing one another and hurting one another, and that is based on bigotry. And we can find that in Morocco, in Tunisia, in Libya. Again, there is all kinds of pain, and the reason for this is again bigotry. And there are bomb explosions everywhere in Iraq, and mass slaughters are taking place, and hundreds and thousands of Muslims are being murdered, and the reason for this is bigotry. There's no need to ignore it. There's communist terror or radical terror, and they are both the same mindset, because both are based on the same communist mindset, because they have inclination towards communism. That is why they try to look like a communist movement, and that is how the radicals act. They are in admiration of communism, and look at their statements. You will be finding that their style is likening communism,